So let's start. So as I said in the start, this is going to be a live project on the technology called MEANstack, right? Apart from the MEANstack, we are going to use AWS also in this live project, correct? What is the live project? What is the topic for the live project? That we still need to decide. Decide in the sense means we already have two beautiful concept on live, for the live project, and I need your suggestion, like which one you wanted to start. Whichever majority says we wanted to start, we'll go with that, correct? We have a luxury, thank God, we have a luxury of picking the live project, correct? In the batch, usually what happens is whatever a trainer or instructor forced to do, that is what basically participant do, right? But here we have option to choose which live project you wanted to do. So much before going into the technology like MEANstack, AWS, let me just discuss a little bit about the live project, because that will actually generate curiosity, that will actually basically excite you that what is the live project we're going to pick. Of course, as I promised in earlier sessions, that it's not going to be a hospital management or hotel management or restaurant management, library management, inventory management, right? It's going to be a live project. Live project means which is something live. Just like you see the learnnow.in, this is also this also was a live project for college recruits, college students like you, or fresh recruits like you, like Pranshu, Utkarsh, correct, who started their career with Learn Now, right? So this is also built by the college students only, learnnow.in, and you can see it's live. It is integrated with the payment gateway, right? That's how you guys have paid through this site and reached to this session. So this is called live project. Like this, we have other live project as well. I'm going to demonstrate what are the live project that we want to take in this 78th batch of live project, right? You heard it right. Previous to that, we have delivered successfully 77 live projects, or you can say 77 batches of live project, correct? So we have two live project basically. One is social networking side, so I'll explain that also. And another one is like LMS, right? The LMS, which is today's need. If you see in this lockdown period, right, we have a need of online learning. When you say online learning, that doesn't mean that you go to YouTube and start learning, you go to sites and start learning. Online learning means a systematic way of learning, which means there should be a learning management system where whatever videos, whatever topics you have learned, you have gone through, your bookmark should be available. Whatever topic you have searched should be there. There should be someone who will keep giving you some lectures, some sessions, some technical stuff, correct, to you, some assignments to you, that should be recorded, that should be there in your account, correct? I mean, in short, the two-way communication between the instructor and the participant, where instructor will keep on giving the sessions, keep on giving the technical stuff, keep on giving its cool stuff, right, technical stuff, and you as a participant will keep on getting things from the instructor side. Not only that, the LMS says learning management system. The LMS says where the participant and the instructor will have two-way communication in the form of discussion forum, where you can put up your question, the instructor will answer those questions, you will put up some questions, someone else in the group, someone else from the group will start putting up his own discussion. Maybe he or she will answer your question. Take an example. You said what is good about MEANstack? So someone from the group can answer what is MEANstack and why it is so important. Or at the same time, an instructor also give you a full-fledged theoretical or technical information, maybe in the form of links or in the form of tutorials in the discussion forum. So not only like a participant and the instructor will have their sessions, I mean their interaction with the help of assignment giving, video tutorials, textual tutorials, PDFs, correct, assignments, notes. But apart from that, there has to be a discussion forum also up and running, not only with the participants, not only between the participants and the instructor, but within the group, within the participants as well. right? So LMS, learning management system, which will have all the cool features. I have a few features, a few other features also in the learning management system that I wanted to discuss, but that was just a glimpse of or just a gist of this learning management system live project, right? Apart from that, I'll come back to my first topic, which I wanted to have in this session, uh, or in this what do you call it, in this batch, basically 78th batch, that is social networking site, right? So in social networking site, I mean, it looks like at first attempt it looks like it's going to be like Facebook kind of application, or LinkedIn kind of application, or Twitter kind of application, or you can say what else, Instagram kind of application. But answer is no. It is going to be a social networking site, but it will not be like the application where you go ahead and chit chat, right? Where you share your thoughts, or you say, hey, this is what I've done I mean, today in the morning I woke up, now I am in gym, or people usually does like that, right? Yeah. So just give me a minute, guys. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So as I said, it would not be like the regular chit chat kind of social networking site where you get likes, where you get comments, you upload your picture, upload your video, right, and have discussion with your friends. No. So what kind of social networking site it would be? It would be the actual social networking site. So what exactly we do in the society? What do you mean by society? So by saying society means where we basically live with each other, we share, we care each other, right? We exchange things, we exchange thoughts, we help each other, we assist each other, right? If someone is in the problem, someone else will jump in, people will jump in, help each other. Like, actual the society means where civilized people get together, form a society. What is the definition of society? So society means when civilized people get together, make a group, and in that group, what they do is they take they care about each other, right? They help each other. They make sure that they resolve the issue within that group. Now that group can be bunch of 5 people, can be a group of families, right? Can be a group of villages, cities, correct, states, or a country. So in this live project, what we're going to do, which the name of this live project would be We Build Nation, right? I'm still looking for some good name, but what strike me the most is this name, We Build Nation. In short, we will call it WBN, We Build Nation, right? So what we're going to do in this live project is We Build Nation. As the name is self-defining its meaning, we are the people, the mob are going to build our nation. Where how is going to get designed or architecture is there will be multiple tabs, right? So by explaining each and every tab one by one, step by step, you will get the idea of the project, correct? And trust me, this is going to be uh, I won't say invention, but that is going to be, this is going to be the life changing life project for all of us, right? Because none of the project like this has been there in the market. It is absolutely a fresh idea. This is the idea, which can give you a Nobel Prize as well, right? I don't want to boost up more in, I don't want to add, more things into that at very initial time, and boost it up like anything. But yes, this is a brilliant idea, which is, as of now, don't exist in this world, right? So that is also one of the quality of life project, that do something which has not been done yet, correct? That way you will get an idea, you will get time, you will get knowledge, you will get your space and time to design the architecture in such a way which is not has been done so far, which hasn't been done so far, correct? So pick the ideas like that. If you see, all latest inventions are successful, or all the successful inventions, if you see, they are the inventions which is absolutely new, life changing, and which is best for the society, correct? So when you say greatest invention, we say Edison invented a bulb. Why it was a greatest why it was a greatest invention? Because it was life changing. It brings light to to our life. Similarly, like that, a life project should be something which adds value to the society, correct? Then only that life project will become a huge thing, or you can say a thing which is supported by people, which is encouraged by people, which is promoted by people, correct? So in this project, what we're going to do is, although I have created enough hype about this project, so let's start discussing about this project. So this is one of our favorite, and we are looking forward to finish it. So mobile work has already been started on it. It's a web version which we need to do, correct, with you guys. So what we're going to do, how is going to be started? So the first tab of this live project would be, now we talk about precisely in terms of project and project making, and we'll talk only about this project and nothing else. So the first tab about this project would be let's say food, right? So what you see in the food tab is, or what we're going to do in the food tab is, as the name itself defining is meaning, we build nation, correct? So what we're going to do in the food tab is, we all know that in India we have, if you don't know, it's a very good thought, right? I mean, it's a very good information that I'm sharing with you. We are the people who waste the food which is more than the Great Britain yield or harvest, right? I mean, you getting my point? We waste the amount of food that India wastes is more than the amount of food or the quantity of food that Great Britain produces, right? So in this tab, what we're going to do is, if someone is having, let's say, marriage party, any kind of event celebration where they ordered food or they cooked food, and they say we have a leftover food, so they will go to the site, they will go to the application, they'll go to the portal, We Build Nation, correct, wbn.com or We Build Nation. They'll go to the site, click on the food section, and there they say, I have how many, I mean, plates? I have 20 plates. I have food for 20 people, for example. So I have 20 plates or food for 20 people, correct? All address and everything will be mentioned automatically, because that person is a part of our application, correct? Registered user of our application. You just need to mention the food tab. I have food for 20 people, and submit. What will happen? The notification will be triggered to all the registered member, correct? To the, I mean, to all the registered member of our application, We Build Nation, right? WBN, and the notification will be sent to them. They will get an alert over their mobile or their desktop, correct? I mean, depends on which platform or which device they're using this application, correct? And they will get notification. And now, and do remember, who will be the user of our application? Not only the general public, but the NGOs, ministers, correct? Society workers, correct? Social activists, all will be part of our application. Like NGOs, big NGOs, small NGOs, or the social activists work for our work for NGOs. So they will be part of our application. They will be the registered user of our application. So the notification will be sent to all of us, or all the registered user. Now they will check, they'll get the notification, they'll check if it falls under their area or it falls in their range, correct? Including Uber and Ola, because we are going to involve Uber and Ola also in this one, so that they can be a part of our application. And since they have a greater and bigger network of distribution, right, in terms of food and their cabs, so they will also be part of this application. So I mean, anyone can pick anyone who comes in that range, in the range of that person, right, who has submit that I have food for 20 people, can come to his house, correct? Maybe an NGO guy, maybe a social activist, maybe Ola, Uber guy. They will pick the food and distribute to nearest slum, or the people who need them the most, people who need that food the most, correct? Just imagine if we finish this application within a month or so, right? At least some important tabs. Now this is the Corona time, right? This is COVID-19 time. This is the time where this application is required the most. There are people who are stuck in remote areas, who don't have any access, who doesn't have any access to even the basic needs, correct, like food. So for them, don't you think it's a best idea? Someone, someone need not to go to the slum and distribute and show its picture over the Instagram that, hey, I distributed, or Facebook for that matter, I distributed food to the poor people. Instead of that, just paste that I have food for 20 people. Someone from the NGO or the authority will come to his gate, to his doorstep, get the food, distribute to the people who need it the most, right? So even in situation like COVID-19, this idea suits the best, right? So first tab was food. I hope you understood this part of the project, food. Then we'll be having the next tab called called health. So before going to the next tab, did you guys have idea now what we're going to do in food tab, or how the food tab will proceed? So someone will be posting that I have food for 20 people, and someone will be saying, yes, I'm going to take it. So if I posted that I have food for 20 people, and I get answers from, let's say 10 people, they say I will distribute, I will distribute, I will distribute, right? So I can pick, I can basically check whom I want to select, right, for this distribution. If someone says I live very near to your house, and I can do that work, I can simply say check, okay, done. So just like we book Ola and Uber car, right, we get different options, and just we need to select. Similarly, out of those 10 people, I can select whom I want to choose to do this work, right? Yeah, so I guess we have a question on that. Someone raised the hand. Just give me a minute, let me just check. Okay, so guys, anyone else wanted to put some light on this, or anyone wants to ask any question on this tab? Anyone wants to share his thoughts? So by default, I put all of you on mute mode. You just raise your hand, and what I will do is I will unmute you guys, and then you can speak. Otherwise, you can put it in the chat. Anyone? No? Okay. We have. Okay, so Sony is saying we can also add selection for food for animals and leftover food. Absolutely correct. Why not? See, this is the idea. I just initiated, and people have started talking about it. So that means, this is the first stage of a good idea on which we make live project. Correct. So that is what I was talking about. Live project doesn't mean a technical thing which we throw, which we basically posted on the face of people and say, hey, this is a project, you have to do it. No, the successful live project says an idea which keep on evolving, right? So I said food for people. Shoni said, why don't we add food for animal as well? Why don't? When we can, definitely we should. So there should be a second option also over there. I have leftover food for animals, right? Correct. Okay. So anyone else? So you can put it in the chat or raise your hand, guys, if you want. Okay, we have Pranshu. Yes, Pranshu, I unmuted you. Yes, Pranshu, go ahead, ask your question.
Yes, yes, we are sending a notification to all the users. For that, someone has posted some food, that I have some food. So that notification should go in spite of all the users. It should go into that area only.
Correct.
So that will be better.
Again, correct. Absolutely correct. Instead of going to all 1,000, 100,000, millions, I'm expecting right now, before even starting the project in the web version, I'm expecting this is going to be, this is going to get viral. Lot of people, I'm expecting thousands and thousands of people are going to get, associated with this project. So yes, Pranshu's point is very correct. If someone says I have food for 20 people, it should not go, go as a notification to all the participant. It should go to all the participant, all the users who are nearest to that user, right? Nearest to that user. Absolutely correct. I mean, first thing should be within the country. Second option, then filter, it should be in the state. Then it should be in the city. Correct. In the city also, let's say we by filtering in the city, we found still 10,000 users are in the city. Okay. Then in your area, when you reach to your area, I mean, the populated country like India, in the area itself, we have, like at least 1 or 2 lakh people. Correct. Then again, area precise to, let's say, 10 kilometer of that person, right? So in 10-kilometer radius of that person, I mean, there might be, let's say 500 people or 1,000 people. Again, we can narrow down that part and see, reach to, I mean, a kilometer, basically a kilometer or 500 meter. Let's see. So we'll start with this range. So 500, then if we don't find anything, a kilometer, then 2 kilometer, then 4 kilometer, and then maybe in a city, state. Obviously in the state will not work, country will not work, because we are talking about taking a food and then delivering it. So it should be within 500 meter. We will start from even 200 meter also. So that's a technical thing what Pranshu is talking about. So we can start with 200 meter, start searching people. The moment I pasted or posted that I have food for 22 for 20 people, or I have leftover food for animals. So the search will start from within 100 meter, then 200, because 100 meter, why I'm saying 100 meter, because it may be someone present in my society who need the leftover food for the animal, right? So 100, 200, 500, like this, we'll start searching and see how many people we are finding, right? So good suggestion, Pranshu. It was a very good suggestion. Okay, so anyone else wanted to share his thought on this food tab? Okay, so Utkarsh is saying blood donation. Yes, we will come on the tabs. This is one of the feature. So we're strictly talking about the food tab, Utkarsh. So yes, we can have this one. We can have, of course, we can have the blood donation also, on this, in this side, in this portal live project. Definitely. We'll start something which is, which relates to society. So if you see what is the demand of society, demand is food. Help with assist each other with day-to-day needs. Correct. That's a very good suggestion. So Ravi sir has a suggestion that in the case of disaster, we can even plan for state and other location. Absolutely correct. Why not? I mean, if such disaster, yes, I mean, people can come and give the food. I mean, give the food, and we can, involve. I mean, third-party vendors, like, as of now, I would say vendors only, because they are third-party people. I don't know they will involved or not, or when they will involve. Definitely they will involve, but as of now, they're third-party for us, like Uber and Ola, right? Who can plan for such massive distribution of food within the state or city. So yes, it's a good idea. In crucial or critical or disaster like situation, like COVID-19, we can even plan for state and city, entire city, and and state. Then Pranshu for GKV. Okay, we can start searching for people, but the search should more specific for the people based on quantity, and if the person usually get involved, we should get started quickly with the project with short introduction. Okay, good idea. So yes, Pranshu, so basically when the people will start registering, at the time of registration, they will have their location, they have to share their location, right? So based on their location, our application will be smart enough to track that within how many registered user are there within the 100 meter of that person. Correct. If person says, okay, I am living in Bangalore, I am near the host school. Okay, so when I will register, my location will be tracked, just like in Google. Correct. Your location is tracked. Google basically know that where you are living, I mean, where you are basically living and where you're going. Similarly, the site would be smart enough to get your location, save it, and when you post something like that, now application will start looking for the people who are near to you. in the application who lives near to you, and the notification will go to those people, correct? So all these things we will be having at the time of registration, plus when a user will post, about the food, and then also the same the Google search or Google geolocation API will start working on it, right? Just like your Google Map work, we can integrate our Google Map over here in the application, right? So does it answer your question, Pranshu? Pranshu from GKV, right? Okay. Any other question, guys, before we move to the next tab? Yes, we need to get started quickly. We need to get started, quickly with the project. Pranshu, you're absolutely correct. That is why I'm giving the introduction about the project in the first session itself, so that in the next session, which is tomorrow, and we can even think of today as well, that how we can start it technically. I mean, I can present the architectural diagram, I can present the whole nitty gritty of the technology which we are going to use, correct? So that you will be well aware that what technology, which part, what time, how, why, all these things, you will get to know, correct? You understand the complete picture of the project, and then it'll be easy for you to start, right? So first it was LMS. So I'll share the LMS architecture also with you guys over the mail, uh, and at the same time I will be sharing the architecture and complete information about this also. So when I share it today with you guys, now you have to come back with your suggestion, which project you want to, which live project you want to go first, right? You want to go with, I mean, and based on the majority we take that one, correct? Okay. So if there is no other question on the food, on a similar note, we'll start next tab. We'll have next tab in the project called health. So in health, we're going to have n number of possibility. In food, it was only food for human and animals. In health, it's an n number of possibility. So in health, a person can start a health drive, correct? A person, who is a person over here? A user who is a medical practitioner, maybe a doctor, maybe a nurse, maybe a what do you call it, assistant of a doctor, right? Or a medical student, I mean a medical practitioner, whoever wants to start out of these users, these type of users, personas we call it, these type of users, whoever wants to start the health drive, right, can go to the health tab, say click on button called create drive. So create drive will create a form. In the form, you will, that user will type which type of drive you want to create. So it's a health drive for, let's say, COVID-19, for example, right? So a doctor, in short, a doctor, go to health tab, open the form, obviously. There it says the drive name, health drive or checkup drive for COVID-19. Okay, good. Address may be a nearby area. I mean, the doctor can mention the nearby area, or medical practitioner, the user can mention the nearby area where that user wants to go, right? Put up his area, the area where the doctor wants to go, and then maybe the timing, of course, like what time. Maybe the doctor says, or medical practitioner says, I want to start this drive at, let's say, 5:30 tomorrow, with the date, of course, correct? At this and this place precisely, maybe let's say Kendra Vidyalaya, or maybe a nearby slum, or maybe an apartment, for that matter, anywhere, in the place, timing, correct, name of the drive, submit. Now what will happen? Again the same thing, notification will go of that health drive, the notification will go to all the nearest people, around that user, that medical practitioner, right? So people who wants to join his drive, his or her drive, they can simply say, I'm also joining. So who will be people over here? People over here would be people who already from the medical field, right, wanted to assist. Because obviously when someone like doctor is going to start a checkup drive, he or she needs assistance also of experts means maybe a person who assists doctor, maybe a nurse, maybe a medical practitioner, correct? So whoever belongs to that field, or for that matter, whoever wants to assist the doctor, correct, or that medical practitioner, who has created the drive can say, I join the drive. Like this, one person has started the drive, and now it may be a bunch of 10 people who is going to that place for the drive. Correct? So one person started the drive, and rest can join his drive, his or her drive, and assist him, or can give their expertise on that matter. So if let's say general doctor, let's say I have a very little knowledge on let's say general, I'm a basically general practitioner. Correct? I'm a general practitioner, for example. I created a drive. Correct? And now two experts on COVID-19 join my drive. Now I have a team of three. Correct? And then their nurse who assists those doctors also join the drive. So now I have now we are a bunch of five people, five experts. So we go to that place, start doing our work, start giving our services to the people who required it the most. Again, don't forget who required it the most. That is the idea of this project. We build nation. We are not crying for doctors, we are not crying for government, we're not saying we are helpless. What we're doing is we are doing our help by our own, right? We are the society, we are the people, we are the mob. Correct? We are the one who built our nation. So we are not dependent on anyone. We're just simply going and start assisting our own people. We start helping our own people. We start helping each other, right? So any question, any doubt on this health tab? Like this, on a daily basis, you can see many of the people, many of the medical practitioners can start their own medical drive, right? Or health drive, I should say. So any question or any doubt on this? And again, this drive can be again for humans, this can be for animals, right? Because in this time and in epidemics like this, right? um, uh, like COVID-19, I mean critical situation like this, COVID-19. Here, humans are not safe when you leave the topic about the animals. So all are affected by this. So this health drive can be for anyone. It is not restricted to only humans. Okay, I have questions. So Abhishek Sarin is saying, in health drive we can announce free health checkup or delivery for the medicines or sick people. Yes, exactly, this is what we're going to do. So this health drive, correct, so this health drive can be for these purpose only. Free stuff, I mean it's not going to be the paid one. So in this project we will try to have, when we talk about monetary, so we'll try to make sure that the monetary part will be as less as possible. We don't want to make this application for the commercial use. Okay, this is only for the society, it is only for the society, by the society. Correct? And will be done by the society. So yes, Abhishek, you are right. The medical drive can be for anything, that is also free of cost. So yes, for medicines also, if you wanted to donate some medicines, correct, there are some general medicines which we required. Correct? So if you have them extra, you can even donate that as well. So Mehboob from AIMT is asking, if someone has some health problem, then he or she can get details about the particular doctor which he or she want, correct, according to the particular health problem. Absolutely right. So even that also we can involve. Yes, now you see your brain has started ticking, right? Isn't it? So yes, we can make that option also. If someone wants to have let's say wants to have someone wants to have some advice from expert, so we can even have a discussion forum also over here, where where someone can say, hey, I have cold and cough and I'm having fever also. It seems like I am suffering from, it seems like I have COVID-19. I'm suffering from coronavirus. Am I correct? Correct? Something like that. A person can put up on the discussion forum, and the expert can suggest, do this test, do that test, right? Do this, do that. Can give the expert advice, and going forward, we can even involve the video calling also in this. So again, now you can understand this this health tab is going to grow like anything. Correct? We have n number of possibility in this health tab. Correct, Mehboob? Does that answer your question? right? Even medicine details as well. See, in US, in Western countries, suggesting medicine online, if I'm not wrong, it is against the law. Correct? Maybe that is why those countries are failing like anything in this situation, because actually, a medical, I mean, actually, no one can suggest any medicines, correct, to anyone. But in our country, we don't have such restrictions. We can help if we want in such, I mean, direction as well. Correct? So this has limitless opportunity. This tab, health tab, has limitless opportunity. Correct? We can take this one from simple creating a drive to any level, to any level. So Rohit Tomar is saying blood donation can also be provided for. Yes, of course. Why not? Why not? Why not? In my company itself, I received mail few days back that one of our team member, one of our company colleague, right, required some blood, some group, they said A negative, blood or something. So I mean, now what they need to do is they need to, I mean, distribute. I mean, they need to circulate that message through mails. But on such application like we are making, right? So we can simply put up and say, hey, someone is having, I mean, do you have, I mean, we required blood, A negative, O positive, B positive blood for these groups, right? We can list down all these things, and people, I mean, again, notification will go and people will say, hey, I'm ready to donate. Correct? So as you said, as your brain is, started ticking, started running in this direction, you can see this is a limitless, what do you call say? It has a limitless opportunity to develop, innovate. Correct? In this project. So Pinky is saying someone's area have free health checkup, they can share that so that more people can take a benefit. Of course, why not? Why not? For example, I'm a user. Absolutely correct. Let me just explain how this is going to be possible. Let's say I am a user of this application, but my whole apartment, who's having some 1,000 plus, members, in my apartment, there are 600 families. I would say if two people are there, if three people are there in the family, so like somewhere 1800 people we have. But out of those 1800, only I am the one who is a part of this application, who is a registered user of this application, which means once I get the notification, correct, no one else from my society is knowing about it. So what I can do is, I do have, groups, WhatsApp groups. I do have other groups also. Nowadays in apartments we have, apps also. So I can circulate this link. Simple. I can circulate that drive link to WhatsApp group. Let's say to my apartment, application. I mean, every apartment has their own inbuilt application apps also. So I can circulate the links, just like we circulate, links in WhatsApp, and within, within a day, few hours, it gets viral, isn't it? Correct, guys? Does that answer your question, Pinky? Right? Correct. So I guess health tab is pretty much clear to all of you. Now the next thing what I have is, we're done with, food, we're done with health. Next thing, again, to which our LMS is also, associated, that is education, right? So it's been now 50 minutes. We are continuously talking. In fact, I am continuously talking and we are interacting, right? Is it fine if we take a break of, 5 minutes and then resume the session, right? So give me just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll resume the session. Till that time, I'll pause the recording. Correct? You can be ready with your questions also if you have any. So next two tabs are going to be super awesome and is going to blow your mind. Okay? So if you say food and health is awesome, so next two tabs are definitely going to blow your mind, right? So let's see those two tabs after a break, right? So I am taking a break of 5 minutes. Let's break. And then when we gather, we discuss about two more tabs of this application at the initial phase, at very initial phase. There going to be plenty of tabs, right? As the requirement grows, as this application grow, right? As the market demand grow, correct? Right? So, but what we're thinking is to launch it with the bare minimum, features. Bare minimum means which society need it immediately, like food, health. This is the bare minimum things. Society need it now, immediately. Correct? So that's why I discussed 2 tabs first, and then after the break, I'm going to discuss the rest of the 2 tabs, right? So, so just 5 minutes. I'll come back, catch you after 5 minutes. Okay. So now after the break, what we're going to discuss is the rest of the 2 tabs. As I said, there are going to be many tabs, but the next 2, which is the most important one, which I want to discuss, are first one is your society tab, society, and then we have education. Correct? Again, I start with education first because society is going to be very interesting. So I wanted to keep society, the interesting one, at the end. Correct? Again, it's going to blow your mind. So now see education, right? In education tab, I mean, this idea was before COVID-19, well before COVID-19. As I said, it's mobile app already, it started working. Mehboob, I'll come to your question in a minute, right? I'm just parking it for 2 minutes, okay? So as I said, education. So in education tab, I mean, it's going to be the same like health tab, but the benefit would be in this COVID-19 is, I mean, the extension of this education tab in this COVID-19 situation is awesome. I tell you how. So first, before COVID-19, only this idea was there in our mind to start with. Correct. So that time there was no online education. Obviously, I mean, no online education means there's no interest of experts into more online education. All these kind of trainings, development training specifically, they has been held in the form of in-person training. So even if some drives has been created by these NGOs, right, with corporate people, like what I remember is what I have done, in past is when I was in Dell. So we had a tie-up with one of the NGO. So they used to come and they say, okay, on Saturday Sunday basis, you can go to nearby slums or the areas where we have underprivileged students, right? You go there and conduct the sessions whichever you are best in. For example, I'm a maths teacher, so I love maths, so I can take a math session on Saturday and Sunday, correct, in my weekend. If someone is interested in science, good in English, so they can take that session in those areas for underprivileged students, right, who cannot pay for their tuitions, who cannot pay for their schools. Okay, good. So first of all, this is at a very low level. Low level in the sense means this is not spread across the country. Only few NGOs with few companies only they have their drive, and that too also not in organized manner. You know what is the reason why it is not in organized manner? Because the people who are organizing it are not organized. Very simple. So what I'm saying is, if we have a tab like education, correct, where only the interested people will come and they create their drive. For example, as I said, I'm interested in maths and I love to, I will be the first member who will create, the drive in education. First one. So I love to, take sessions, as you all know, right? So I will be creating a maths drive, for example. I go to education tab, click on education tab, go to create drive, write maths drive. Okay. Write the place, maybe some primary school, maybe a place like nearby slum. Why I'm using this word slum is not to downgrade those people. Don't take me wrong. Slum is a global word basically, which indicates underprivileged people. So it's better if I start using the word called underprivileged people. Okay, so let's start using this word, because I myself is feeling little odd to use this word called slum. We don't have slum as such, right? I mean, uh, like the other part of the word, we don't have that slum, that kind of slum. Okay, so we call it underprivileged people. So what I want is like I as a user go to education tab, click on the create drive, put education drive on maths, correct, or education drive subject maths, timing, place, any nearby area where we have underprivileged people. In every area, in every city, we have some areas where people are underprivileged, correct? So we can where we will find government schools, primary schools run by government, right? We can go to those schools. We can pick those places, correct, and start our drive. Mention it Saturday, Sunday, which day, define the time. Again, time, place, subject, everything you mention, and say create drive, right? The moment you say create drive, obviously a notification will be go to each and every person nearby your area, nearby my area, because I have created that drive. Now anyone who wants to join my drive, let's say my colleague is I can we can use we can take help of our colleague, our co-workers as well. We can say, hey, I have created a drive on maths, would you like to take sessions on science and English as well? Yes, why not? Someone else will again say join. So like you have created an education drive, and now multiple people have joined, and now instead of this being one single maths drive, now it is a drive of a multiple subject. So you will find people who can teach underprivileged students how to drawing, art, English, maths, science, correct. Maybe solve their doubts for which they don't have money to pay, right, to the tuition teachers. So this is there in education. So this was very good thought before COVID-19, because it was like in-person drive, we are going there and driving it. Now if I mean, for the timing, it will get stopped because it's locked down, so people cannot go out and conduct such kind of drive, because it'll create chaos, it'll create more people involvement, which is not allowed by the government, and we should respect that. But in this COVID-19, how this idea education tab will be helpful is, we say online session, just like I am conducting Zoom session, Google Live, right? Your YouTube Live, your Facebook Live, correct? So Zoom, now we have a free session, I mean free what do you call it, accounts for Zoom, where you can conduct online session. So like this, we can throw a link. I mean, I must say today we are living in an era of WhatsApp, where the whole business runs on WhatsApp. In some companies, I mean, we have WhatsApp group, you all know that, right? Companies, schools, colleges, we have WhatsApp groups. I mean, all proceeding happens at WhatsApp, correct? Parallelly, I would say. So I mean, you create a link, you create a drive, again that link or drive you share on WhatsApp. People students who are underprivileged can see that link, will click on the link, correct, and the session starts. So at their home, without contacting each other, correct, we can still make this happen in this COVID-19, right? So like this education drive or education tab is also a hit, correct, a big hit, a big success. It's going to be a big success, because now whatever session you wanted to take, I mean, just like you, for example, you as my team, we all get together, created a drive education. Now in this area, you see, in this education drive, we don't have issue of boundaries, geological boundaries, right? We don't have issue of areas, cities, states, even countries also. If someone wants to have maths drive, science drive, English, right, we bunch of people who can give English, Hindi, maths, any subject, who can deliver online. People from different part of world, I would say, can join the session and take the benefit, correct. I would strictly recommend that we'll do it for our country first. So from our country also, we are a people, I mean, we are a mob of 130 crore, right? Correct. So people from our country itself, from different part of our country, states, cities, areas, can join our drive. I'm talking about one drive like this. There can be n number of drive in our application, n number of drive. People who want to create their own drive can do it. People who wants to join others drive can join it, and that too without contacting people in person or physically. So this is the best idea in this COVID-19, which we must have in our application. So guys, now I wanted to ask you guys, anyone wants to speak over this idea, wants to share his thought over this idea? I'm fine if you say on chat. I'm fine if you raise your hand and say, I want to speak. I'm all open. Because from here itself, we have a path to LMS also, right? Learning management system, isn't it? Correct? So you can now you can understand the learning management system also can be hooked to this application. I mean to the tab like education. Correct? Where we can create courses, we can create what do you call it, content, we can create batches, we can create what do you call it, video lectures, um, question papers, quiz for the people who are underprivileged and make them educate, or instead of I say make them educate, I would say we can help them. We can help them in solving their issues, queries. We can help them in their day-to-day studies, right? Correct, guys? I mean, all the help that underprivileged people need, we can do that under this education tab with the help of online sessions plus the LMS part, where we keep a record of what we should teach them or what should be there for them to study, or maybe what questions they have put up and we answered. Again, a discussion forum will be there here. Again, the discussion forum will be there. So where these underprivileged people can ask their doubt, can ask their query, and any maths expert, science expert, Sanskrit expert, Hindi expert, any subject expert can put up his answer. Simple. Or even the brilliant student, again, same thing. Within the group, correct? Anyone can answer. Any expert can answer. Simple. You are a seeker. I mean, the underprivileged people are the seeker, and people like you will be an expert who are giving their expert advice, giving solution to their questions, their queries. So through chat, through video calling, through LMS, with all the means, we can help each other, we can assist each other. Yeah. So I guess we have some questions. Mehboob has a question. In education tab, can we add book sections? Yeah, absolutely correct. That I have in the society. I mean, let's not ruin that part. Okay. I have something very beautiful stuff in very exciting, very mind blowing stuff in society tab. Okay. Let's keep the taste of that tab intact. Okay. But Mehboob, you are hitting a very right point, and your question will get answer in the next tab, society tab. Okay, so I'll keep this one as of now. I'll park it for as of now. Huh? Someone wants to speak, so I guess it was Pranshu. So Pranshu from GVK, once again. So yes, Pranshu, you are unmute. Please go ahead, ask your question. Yes, Dakskaran, I'll come to you, no problem. Yes, Pranshu, GKV, sorry, please ask your question. If you want, you can put it in the chat also. Okay, problem. One second. So direction. Sorry, I'm I'm not able to pronounce your word correctly. Is it direction? Shun, right? Direction. Yes, direction. Go ahead. You are unmute now.
Yes, sir. My name is Daraksha Meher. You can call me Meher. I know my name is
Oh, Meher. Yes,
difficult
Meher.
to
Yeah,
pronounce.
Meher. Sorry.
Sir.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Sir, my suggestion was actually we मतलब studied till 12th, and वो जो books हमारे होते हैं वो हमारे यूं रखे हो जाते हैं, बहुत expensive books होते हैं 12th में, तो so we can add like people who can donate their books after they have finished
it's
their
the
books.
same question what Mehbooba's asked, and let me answer this question the next tab. You will simply amaze that what we have in the next tab. Okay, it's a whole word of, I won't say parallel economy because that would be a wrong term, because we are not selling, so it's not parallel economy, but it's kind of barter system which we're going to have in the next session. Okay, in the next tab, sorry. Just wait for 2 minutes. I'm going to start that one. So any other suggestion on the education? If anyone wants to, speak or add anything on, on education tab. So I said discussion forum. I said online, sessions. I said LMS part. Any other thing that we can do in education? Of course, we can have this book session. I mean, sharing the books or donating the books in the education as well. But I will first present the last or fourth tab, a society tab, and then I will ask you, should we keep it in the society or we should, move it to education tab? Yeah. So No question, right? All good? All good. Okay, we have one question from one other person. Hold on, let me just check. No. Okay, good. Let's see the society tab. Okay. So in society tab, what we're going to have is, I'll share the screenshots also what I'm, basically portraying or telling you or suggesting you as of now here for this project, right? So we have few screenshots also which we built, that how the screen should look like for mobile app, right? I'll share those screens with you guys. So what we are going to have in society is, in society tab, we are going to have two sections. So one would be society I have, and second would be society I need. Okay. I seriously, I can bet that after this fourth tab, your brain will start evolving like anything. I mean, your brain will start taking like anything on this particular topic, and you'll start suggesting, or you start thinking, hey, we can do this, we can do that, we can do this, we can do that, right? Because this tab itself is so evolving, or I should say ever evolving. There's no limit to it. Okay. So here we start. So I said society tab. We have two sections. One, society I have. There's a button called society I have. Click. There's a second button called society I need. Click. So by this name, you can guess what we're going to have in this section. So society I have, for example. So as Meher said, as Mehboob said, right? Society I have. What I have, we'll be having a preloaded list in the drop down. Select books. I have books. Books of which class? Just mention the class and say submit. Correct? Class, subject, whatever. I mean, you have books, you give description, correct? And say submit. Now this notification will go to everyone, right? Everyone means everyone. And irrespective to city and state also, because you can courier and someone can pick it also and courier, correct? So this has no constraint. This should not be having any constraint on city and state, correct? So a lot of NGOs are going to join this application. So this will also be very easy, correct? A lot of people are going to join who will, serve as a mediator, that they will pick the books from you or things from you and distribute to others, correct? It's a pure NGO and social work. So lot of people from society or social activists and NGOs are going to do this work, correct? So if any member thinks, or any person think like, if I have books, I need to go and give this book to that guy, or someone says, hey, if I need book, I need to come to that person and take a book, unless it is like, very far. So we still have people in the middle who can help. Okay. So let's say I have a books for maths, as Meher and Mehboob says, I posted society I have what? I have books for maths, let's say science. We have very expensive books, as she said. I posted I have books, posted a description of books, books related to science. I have all physics, chemistry, biology, all the books, and I said submit. Now this information will go to every person of this application, even the NGOs, and the social activists also, right? Or social workers. They will get this news, or your nearby, people who are nearby you also will get this information. So whoever wants to have these books, or whoever wants to distribute this book to underprivileged people, right? Because there are a lot of NGOs who collect these study materials from, from students like you, and they distribute such books to the underprivileged people. That this is happening, correct? So this is not a new thing. So these NGOs, these groups will take the books, take these study materials. I mean, when you say books means anything. Books, study materials, copy pencils, right? I remember my Nanaji, my mother's father used to, give, stationaries like pencil, sharpeners, erasers, copies, right? To the underprivileged people. So same thing, we are doing over here. So NGO will come, social worker will come, take the books from you and give it to underprivileged people. Or a nearby person who is underprivileged student can come to you, get the books, right? Getting a point? No money, no monetary system. It's purely, helping each other, assisting each other, helping each other, right? It purely serves the purpose of we build nation. We together build a nation, correct? We don't need any aid. We don't need any money. In some part of the world, some part of the country, we have something which is required by the other person. which is there in some other part of the country, correct? Or the city or the area. We just need to make sure that we'll deliver it from end to end. That's it. And for that, I don't need to do anything. If I have, let's say, laptop, which I wanted to give it to society, correct? Or to underprivileged, I just list it. Society I have what? I have laptop of, let's say, P4, generation 5, right? Correct? And you will see, 100 of people will say, hey, I want it. So now you have a list. You can even choose it. You can even, let's say someone wants to, let's say, play smart. I mean, he or she is let's say not underprivileged and wanted to get this laptop, right? So I can see his or her profile. Why you need it? Correct? Why exactly you need it? If they say, I need it for underprivileged person, correct? I say, okay, tell me the name of the student who is underprivileged, right? Wants to have it. Please direct me to there. If you are a mediator, please make sure that person also will be there in the chat. Correct? So like this, I can satisfy I can satisfy myself that yes, this laptop or these books are going to right person. Correct? Of course, we need to make sure that this fraud thing should go as less as possible. And what I believe, guys, because there is no money involved in it, trust me, this is a very huge factor which will play like a anti-fraud, because there is no money involved in it. No money involved in it. So the chances of fraud will be very less. Okay, if someone takes the books from you, obviously that book they are getting it, right? For one physics book, if someone is coming to you, obviously he's not going to sell that book to in the market. He'll not get anything. Correct? So it is when there are very less chances, I'm saying. Correct? In case of books, there is very less chances. In case of stationery, very less chances. Correct? So since there is no money involved in it, so this is also a huge factor that it will be as less as, it will be fraudless. Correct? There will be very less chances of fraud. Right? So any question, any doubt on this one? So it's not books. Yes, correct, Pinky. Pinky's question is only books. No, it's not books. It can be anything. Let me just explain more on this, right? You will amaze after listening to this one. Yes, Mehboob, I'm coming to your point only. That is why I said I have just parked it for some minutes. I'm just taking few more questions. Only books. I guess I covered all. Yeah. So Mehboob and Pinky is saying like, why only books? Yes, it's not only books. The drop down will have a list of n number of things. Books is just an example. Books, toys, clothes. Think an example of clothes, right? Pick the clothes. You say, I have clothes, right? I have my shirts, t-shirts, trousers, clothes. I have different kind of clothes, which I wanted to give it to society. Okay, correct? I wanted to give it to society. So if once I posted, obviously NGOs, social workers, they will ping you for that. They'll definitely say, hey, we have a NGO who takes the clothes from people like you and distribute it among the underprivileged people, right? Clothes or toys to underprivileged people, underprivileged students and underprivileged kids, correct? Or nearby area, right? So they can take clothes, they can take books, they can take toys, they can take medicines on this. Whatever I say society I have, I just my duty is, let's say, your playing instruments also is good enough. Whatever you have which you want to give it to society, correct? Whatever you have that you want to give it to society, you just list it. Society I have what? For example, guitar for that matter. Just imagine, let's say I wanted to have guitar, correct? I don't have money, for example, or I don't want to invest time also. Leave time. I don't have money, for example, right? I don't have money. I won't call myself underprivileged, but I don't have money to purchase a guitar. But I'm very good at the guitar. Very, very good in the sense means I have curiosity to learn. I wanted to learn, but as a part of initial step, I don't have the instrument itself. Correct? So now what should I do? So here comes the second tab. So in first tab, whatever you have, you just list it in the first tab, society I have, and just say submit. That's it. Now in second tab, or second section of the tab, which called society I need. So here I can say society I need what? I need guitar. I need books of math, 7th class. I need, let's say, RD Sharma, right? Of accounts. I now forgot that RD Sharma was for for accounts or for maths. Sorry guys, I studied RD Sharma, but I don't know for which reason I studied RD Sharma, which subject it belongs to, right? I need some books. I need clothes, for example, whatever I need. Being in underprivileged or being due to constraint, let's say COVID-19, because of this I cannot go out and I need that. Think this situation. I'm stuck in remote area. I'm stuck somewhere where I cannot go out, right? Or I stuck in the middle of night, for example, and I'm struggling to have something. So I simply say, society, I need what I can select from the drop down. Or let's say if that item is not there in the drop down, I can put up in the description that I need this. Best example would be, let's say sample question paper. Best example would be, let's say, medicine. Best example would be, let's say, books. I have maths exam, or I have exam after, I have competitive exam. Best example, I have competitive exam. I don't have enough money to purchase the question papers or sample papers or sample paper book. So I said, hey, I have my exam after 10 days. Society, I need papers, competitive papers, sample competitive papers for this and this reason. Submit. Whoever has it, they can say, hey, I have it, I can give it to you. Simple. So like this, now you start the horses of your brain, right? And start thinking that it's a huge tab. It is like ever evolving. It is that kind of tab. You can put anything which you can give it to you wanted to give it to society. And being an underprivileged, or underprivileged not because of the money, underprivileged maybe because of the situation. My situation says that I cannot go out and do things. So I'm underprivileged as of now. I don't have the privilege to go out. So for that also I'm underprivileged. Okay. So don't think underprivileged means always like poor people. No, any person who is underprivileged because of the situation or because of the money. Yes, of course, in our country, because it's money, it would be more. Correct. So can say, hey, society, I need this. And then done. Right? People who has it, they're going to give it to them. Correct. Let me take questions and then I continue on this part more. Right? Let me just take few more questions. I start from the last. We have a mechanism of verification of expired medicine. Huge working needed. Okay, so Pranshu saying huge working needed. Okay, let me tell you one thing, Pranshu. This is not going to be a monetary side. Okay, so as I said, things like this will be very less and almost negligible. So person who is saying, I am giving a medicine, let's say crocin, for example, I have medicine I wanted to give. Okay, that person has to have the check first. I mean, definitely he will check first, because now you're not consuming for yourself, you're giving it to society. People who wants to help each other will never do such stupidity, either by intentionally or non-intentionally, that they will give expired medicine. But your question is very valid. So while giving that medicine part, will have an expiry date. I mean, they have to mention the expiry date. Correct? Or person who is taking it, obviously he'll also be checking. Correct? As a part of the note, please check the expiry date. Correct? So these things will be there. So there would not be any huge work of verification. Getting my point? Please understand, this is not something who a person is selling and intentionally a chemist or pharmacist selling his expiry medicine, right? This is someone, if you are, okay, you ask yourself, if you want to give medicine, will you not check this medicine that, is it expired or not? Because you're giving to society. You are doing a noble, I mean, you are doing for the noble cause, correct? Will you do such mistake? Or let's say, even if you did also, you have, hand over the expired medicine. So person who is going to deliver, he will be having the first message as a notification to that, as a notification that please check the expiry date, right? So again, it's society who is doing all this check. It's not you, it's not me, it's a society. You as a part of society, when you're giving the medicine, you will do a check at the first time, right? Then a person who is picking the medicine from you, let's say an NGO, will do expiry check, right? Before even distributing or giving it to the underprivileged people, correct? So you both will do a check. So it's you and only you, which means it's society and only society who has to intervene, who has to make sure that nothing, wrong will go, okay, or nothing wrong should happen. No check, no authority, nothing. I mean, no authority, no government involved. It's like we are the people, the mob, who are going to help each other, who are going to assist each other. We are building the nation. It's a simple thought, correct? And let me tell you one more thing. People who will assist, first of all, you won't see, maybe, 10,000 people immediately joining to this. No, there's a reason behind it, right? Because nowadays people are more into the social networking. They're more, they're more into chit chatting with people, right? They're more into time passing. Let me tell you one thing. The people who are going to join this application will be the pure cream of our country. Cream, like in the college we say, no, companies come in the college and say we need cream 60% above or 70% above, right? Similarly, in our application, because it is not like a other social networking site where you're doing chit chatting, hey, what's up, what you're doing, how's your day going, right? Things like that. Right? What did you do rest yesterday? How's your movie went? All these things, chit chats. No, this is not going to happen this site. So why you associated with this site? Why you associated with this site? The reason is because you have a motive. What is the motive? Motive is to help each other. What help? Help by any means. Whatever you can, you will do. That is why you associated with this site. So whichever number of people are going to associate with this site, or will be the active member, I should say, because at first instance you may see people will join just because they wanted to show themselves that hey, we are into helping society and all. You may see that is also a second use case which we are expecting, that once this will be viral, you may see millions of people associated, but the active user will be less initially. That I can bet initially. And those active users over the next 6 months, 1 year, 2 year will be the cream of the society, because those are the one who actually care about the country, care about the society, care about the people, right? Who actually believe in this we build nation idea. Okay, so this will be governed, checked by the people itself. So I'm 100% sure that there's nothing which will go wrong in this. As of now, I have not anticipated, or I should not say anticipated, but as of now, I have not came up with any use case where I should say there's a fraud going, because there is no money involved in it. So no fraudies will come to our side, especially. Okay. Okay, so people responded the RD Sharma is for maths and accounts. So I have studied both because I was from accounts background. So I think I've studied both. Great RD Sharma, isn't it? So we have a question from Abhishek Sareen. There should be any verification of modules, especially the NGO and some other organization. Yeah. So for NGO, people who are joining, correct? They like if they are NGOs, if they are experts, so they have to register their details, correct? They have to register their details. Like if they are NGOs, NGOs have open portals, right? NGOs have web applications, portals. So they need to register with their company details, NGO details, right? Correct? Does it answer your question, Abhishek? So Priyanshu is saying we should go for e-books in education. Hard copy can be very prone to fraud. Okay, Priyanshu, how hard copy can be very prone to fraud? Any reason why? Any reason why hard copy is prone to? I love your idea. I mean, that's a very great idea, because we are living in an age of e word, right? Internet word. I should say I word, right? Where internet is there. So everything is like available over the internet. So we have ebooks also. Correct? Agree? So ebooks should be involved, must be involved. But why hard copy cannot be involved? I mean, what fraud you see if I give what do you call it? What fraud you see if I give RD Sharma, for that matter, to someone? Just an RD Sharma. So does it answer your question, Pranshu? You're clear about it, right? Great, great. So these are the 4 necessary tabs that we wanted to have in the first phase of our application. These are the 4 necessary tabs, right? We can even choose best 3 also for the initial phase. What we want is, because of this COVID-19, out of these 4, I mean, are all 4 important, and we must, you know, develop and deliver immediately. I mean, all these 4 first, and then move to the other tabs and go for the enhancement later. Or out of these 4 also, we can choose best 2 or best 3. When I say best, means necessary 2 or necessary 3 tabs to launch the live project, right? And make sure people will start using it. So, right, so I'm still in that mode. So 4 I figured out, these 4 should be there in this COVID-19 situation. But out of these 4, are these all 4 must have, or we can still choose 2 must have or 3 must have features out of these 4, you know, should have features. So what do you say, guys? Anyone wants to speak? I can unmute them. So Meher is saying this application can help Muslim community in Ramadan. People donate big amount and new clothes and foods. Yes, why not? Why not? This application, I mean, you're talking about you know, Ramadan as of now. After a few months there will be Diwali, then there will be, you know, New Year. That's what I'm saying. This, see, that is what I'm exactly saying. This is an endless, I mean, it has ever evolving feature. This application is having ever evolving feature. You cannot say you deliver this and this application is done, correct? It has n number of opportunities, correct, area to evolve, n number of opportunities, and opportunities for everyone, correct? I mean, we can say, as you said, Ramadan is going on, so that is a occasion, right, where people can help each other. Then after that, few more few more festivals will come in our country. Just for this you know, topic, let me tell you, if we say festivals, right, so we have 366 festival in our country. So now you can see the whole year is not good enough. Okay, so every time, every month, every week, there is something or the other going on, right? So for every situation, this application will, you know, will, I mean, this application will live up to every occasion, everywhere, anytime. So Pranshu has a suggestion: education, health should be taken first. Okay, education and health, good, very good. So these things you can, you can mail us also. These things you can, after this session, I'm going to first of all share all the credentials, your login accounts, all these things with you. So there you can, give the suggestions also, mail the suggestions to us as well, correct? So after this session, you will get your account details, where you can, log into your accounts and you can start playing with it, right? Your LMS basically. So there you can give the suggestions. We'll share our email IDs and everything also, where you can, give your suggestions, talk about it. Again, we need to finalize this whole, society live project, social networking side as a live project you need to pick, or LMS we need to pick, right? So that also I need to I need to get information from you, right? So I need that information from your side. Give your suggestion. As I said, majority will win and will take that as a live project. Okay, Ravi says ask for more feature inside the tab. Yes, Ravi said that I've already asked, that they're already, giving in the chat, and these students, participants are very active. They're not only understand the project, as well as they're assisting me also in terms of, increasing or adding more features, right? They're giving ideas live. So this batch is already very active, I should say, right from the word start. Yes, so proper documentation of this product feature. Yes, that I will share, no problem. So in first session, I said we'll discuss about both the projects, and through mail, I will be sharing the project documentation, architecture, everything with you guys, right? But again, first of all, we need to choose a project, LMS or social networking site. Which one you see, is good, right? We'll take that one. And yes, I mean, I'll give the initial architecture, diagram and, features. Then you as a participant can, build a documentation on that, so that you will feel confident. That is the idea, right? You have to feel confident. You have to, participate in that. You will run the live project, right? I will be showing you how to do that. Then you will be the one who will do parallelly with me. So everything should be done by you, so that you will feel confident. Okay. So as I said, it's only you and only you, right? So Meher said, we are in hurry, so we should move to food and society. Okay. So one is saying education and health. One is saying food and, hold on. So food society, Meher said. Then Pranshu said, Pranshu, what was your idea? So Abhishek said, we can name our app Word Need 365. I would say We Build Nation is a good name. WBN is also a good name. WBN is a short name of this one. So if you define this word, define this name to to rest of the word, or in your resume, or to the or to the HR, or to the interviewer, or to your relatives, or to your friends, right? Wherever you use this word, We Build Nation, it makes sense. It makes completely sense, buddy. WBN. If someone says, "What is the WBN?" Say, "We Build Nation," right? So health, education, and for the society and food. So these are four. So we'll be sharing our email. You choose and give the suggestion. Correct. We go with the best two tabs first, and then we try to accommodate the third also. Okay, third also. If you ask me, I think education is required, food is required, and society is required. Why I'm not saying health is because for health already, uh, I mean, for health as of now in this lockdown, period, they're not even allowing doctors also to go out. I mean, they're allowing it with the passes. I mean, it happened to me that I need to take the doctor appointment few weeks back. So the doctor says that we need to have a life pass. I mean, the pass from authorities, and the pass is for some few hours only. I mean, a limited time period. So even doctors are not allowed to go like this, and just go into the society and start doing their work. So even doctors required the passes, and then authorities are letting them go towards, let's say, the clinics, or to the hospitals, or to the areas. Correct. So I would say food, society, and education, because education, like, everyone is at the home, correct, and suffering. So education, everyone is at the home and suffering because of the food, correct. And because this Ola, Uber, Uber is open for the food delivery. Zomato is open for the food delivery. So even if these people wants to jump in, get into this, so they can do it. What I'm trying to say is, for food, it is open. If there is a talk about food, it's open. No one is stopping. So food is important. Education, because education, everyone is at the home, so no big deal. With life, we can spread the education. And society, because for society also, if it is damn urgent, correct, it can be delivered. So in this food, society, education also, what are the two first we should try at the initial time is food and education. Education, so that everyone at home will get educated, underprivileged people specifically. And food, no one will sleep, or no one will die because of the hunger, or no one should sleep like an hungry man or woman, right? So I should say food and education. Yes, I still believe food and education should be started immediately, and then later we can add society or health, based on the situation what we have live, right? So if I need to prioritize that, so I say food, education, then health, and then society. Food, education, then health, correct, and then society. Because you may see in a month that this health services will resume, correct, the way it should be or the way it was previously. That is what I'm getting those kind of news, that at least health services will resume, I mean, in some days. So food, education, health, and then society, fourth tab, and then we have n number of tabs after that. It's a, as I said, it's an endless project. Yes, Rohit. Even I said the same thing, because of the lockdown, lot of clinics has been closed, and as I said, they're not allowing doctors or medical practitioners to go out and serve people. It's very difficult. So I don't think anyone will take the chances and do that. So yeah, food, education, then health, based on the situation, and then society. Yeah. Uh, okay. So I guess I have answered everyone's question. Guys, do you have any question? Do you have any question? Any doubt? Any question you have? Anything you want to speak instead of chat? We can open this. So Meher, you want to speak something? 1 minute. Let me just unmute you. Yes, Meher, go ahead. Ask your question.
Sir, it is not related to project. Actually, it is
Okay.
related to time. Actually, sir, 4:30 to 5 or 6 तक हमारी classes होती हैं. Even one more guy, Sandeep, is here who is in that class.
So 6:30 तक classes होती हैं. That is what you're saying, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, अगर 7:30 से classes आप मतलब ये live projects पे काम करें तो
Yes, we can do that. And on the daily basis, you have classes from 6:30 or 6.
yes, sir. On Friday we have off. Today we had off.
Uh-huh.
But yeah,
Okay.
everything.
So can it be something like Friday, Monday, and Wednesday we can go by 7,
Sorry.
and then Monday and Wednesday. So these sessions are like alternate days: Monday,
Okay.
Wednesday,
Okay.
Friday, and Saturday. So Friday usually it's off, right?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Weekends पे नहीं होगा classes, I guess.
So it's okay. The time we can work out. No worries about the timing.
Okay.
So we can start by 7 also. No issues. We can start by 7 as well, and I'm expecting more people, so I can even split the batch something like in one tab we are working, let's say 4:30, 6:30, right? And one tab, correct, big group of people will work on work on the timing 7 to 9, something like that. Getting a point? So don't worry about the timing, that will adjust. So that thing I will take care, no worries about that. Okay. So okay, so people who are from Jamia, you are saying you are the people who are facing this issue, right? You have, right, Meher? So for your college, this is the problem, right? Meher, you are on mute if you are speaking. Let me unmute you.
Sir,
Yeah.
me and one more guy, Sandeep, and we are in same batch. Only 2 people.
Okay. So we'll work it out. Don't worry. This is just an introduction class for the project, so we'll work it out. No worry. So we are planning for multiple batches for this project, okay? Because there are a lot of tabs, and this is fresh and new idea. So for 2 or max 3 batch, we'll have the same, 2 batch will have the same project, correct? Because one batch will not be able to handle the entire project. It is next to impossible. So we need more people, right? So that's why I divided into tabs basically. That's why the idea was to divide the whole project into tabs so that we can finish the project, correct? So
Yes.
idea is not to give you just hands-on on the project, that you've done something in the live project. No, this project has to be live. So from project or product architect point of view, I need to design it in such a way that it should be done, developed, delivered, right? Be online in a specific period of time.
Sir,
It
one
should,
more thing.
yeah,
Like I have particular me. I have no idea about Angular and Ministake uh, and Git. So will you guide
obviously,
us,
obviously,
or we will have to learn?
obviously. So as I said, today is a project discussion, right?
Yes,
Before even starting, one should know what we are going to start,
yes,
what we are going to learn. So I showed the immense amount of knowledge that you're going to get out of this live project, right? That you guys understood.
yes,
Do you all agree that
yes,
this is a great learning platform?
yes, yes,
This project is going to
yes,
give you lot of knowledge in all the sections and give you hard time as well. Please please do understand that part, that this is going to give you hard time as well, because we're talking about the things, I mean, whatever we are trying to say, whatever we are thinking to build, this will generate errors, issues, right? Conflicts, which we'll resolve. That is what live project learning is all about. So we'll learn all those things. Now this is one case. Second case, technology. So for that, I'm going to speak tomorrow. So tomorrow's session would be particularly, specifically only on the technology. What is mean stack? What are the things we have in mean stack, like Express.js, MongoDB, Angular, Node? What are the capability of these technologies or these topics? Correct? How good they are, how beneficial they are, I mean, to get a job, because ultimate goal is to get a job also, right? So purely about the technology, mean stack, AWS, we'll talk about tomorrow. So
okay,
tomorrow's day is purely towards the technology. Okay.
oh,
So I
okay,
am not expecting any one of you to learn anything before you start this course. If you learn it also, please forget it. I mean, when you come to the live project, please forget everything except oops. That's it. If you know oops, that is more than good enough to start the course. That's it. To start the live project, right? And yes, as Ravisa said, your speed, your home, your net speed. Make sure you have good net speed. Make sure till the time you are you are in the class, don't download or don't put things on the streaming, right? So that your net speed will go down. Correct? Frankly speaking, the whole world is running on the net nowadays, and it's going to happen for next few months as well. Okay. So leave May, leave June, even July also is going to be the same. Things will back to normal by September only. I mean, in previous summer sessions, summer internship sessions, someone was saying, "Sir, we are getting news that we are also getting news that the colleges are going to open in next month." I would say it is not going to open till June, July also. Okay, leave next month. Even July also they're not going to open. So everyone is over the net. Long story short, everyone is over the net. So please make sure that your net speed also good, right? To avoid the lag, what you can do is you can make sure that at that time of the live project, when live streaming is going on, don't stream anything else, don't download anything else. People used to download movies on torrent and parallelly running the session. Don't do that, please. So Pranshu is saying I wanted to take the education tab. Don't worry, Pranshu, we have ample amount of time to discuss all these things. Correct? Let's first of all, I guess I have already created a curiosity in your mind, right? Isn't it? Are you guys curious to work on the project, live project? First of all, tell me yes or no. I I wanted to know from all of you over the chat. Are you guys excited to work on this project? Yes or no? Do you think it will bring great learning to you or not? Correct? This is a proud project, I'm telling you. You're going to proud on yourself for this project. Correct? Because this idea is very unique. This idea is very fresh. This idea is for the society. Correct? So don't worry, we all are going to work on that. I'll be guiding you all left and right, inside out, everything. Don't worry about it. Yes, Utkarsh, this I am not, as I said in the start, I'm not boosting myself, but yes, once we deliver this project, correct, we have persons like Pranshu, correct, we have person like Pranshu Shukla from TCS who can make sure that he will, you know, make sure that we'll get a Nobel Prize for that. He himself, Pranshu himself, has driven a lot of hackathons, and he was awarded by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. So this Pranshu Shukla from TCS, from your group, right? He already got one award. So he is the person who know how to get things, you know, in the visibility, how to make things, you know, in I mean, how to make sure that, you know, things will be invisible in front of the concerned persons or the authorities. So we'll make sure that, you know, we'll make use of Pranshu, correct, to get a Nobel Prize for that. And this project is noble, man. This project is noble. This project is noble. Okay, so that's it from my side. So if you don't have any question, if you don't have any doubt, right, we'll close the session, and we'll have the session tomorrow same time, correct? And we talk about the technology and the technical stuff. So Pranshu raised his hand. Yeah, I knew it, man. You will not leave without speaking. Yes, Pranshu, go ahead.
Sure, sir. I will not leave without speaking.
Yeah.
So actually, I
I
want
knew
to
it.
say we are in the good starting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the first thing is not about the technology. The first thing about the understanding the requirements of a project. So we are exactly doing the same thing. Just understand your requirements, what we are going to build, and how we are going to build. And the main thing is divide every big problem into small chunks. So that will be helpful, and that is the phase of requirement. So we are here going to create the whole project. So the first phase is requirement only. So I hope you, Ajay sir, will share all the documents here, and I will make sure one more thing, that forget about the marketing of this project. If we will deliver now,
Hmm.
I will make sure I will make it success.
See, that is what I wanted to hear from you. So this fellow Pranshu Shukla from TCS, you know, has taken an oath that he will make sure that this will go live in front of the authorities and concerned people. Okay. So now he cannot, you know, get rid of his statement. Pranshu,
Yes, yes,
public forum
sure.
only you accepted. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Great. Great. So looking forward to work with you guys. As I said, this was the initial part where we discuss about the project. Next session will be purely technical and purely technical. We'll not talk about anything else, correct? We'll not talk about anything else apart from technology tomorrow, right? We talk about mean stack, we talk about AWS, we talk about how beneficial these are. Leave about the project also, how beneficial these are and why we have picked these technologies for the live project. We could have easily picked, you know, Java, JSP, servlets, correct? Spring, Hibernate. Um, I'm from .NET, so let me call .NET technologies as well. So we could have easily picked .NET, Visual Studio, things like C Sharp, right? Web services, Windows services, WCF, right? ASP.NET Core, the latest one. We could have easily done all these things. But point is, we should take the new in the market, and we should make sure that we take what is going to sustain the market for longer period of time, correct? Like mean stack. Just search mean stack, you know, over the net, and you will get to know how important it is. Every big shot is going after the mean stack. Big shot means big shot companies. Even the smaller companies are also after the mean stack. All mobile application, they use mean stack. AWS, every third application is hosted on AWS. So we talk about technically over all these technologies, all these stuff, right? Tomorrow. Today it was project discussion and description. Tomorrow it will be technology, you know, description and discussion, right? And meanwhile, between today and tomorrow, I'm going to share some details with you guys. I need your suggestions, correct, to create the architectural, I mean, what do you call it, documentation for this project, right? So architectural diagram, flow, how it's going to be, that I will create, but the documentation part you will create, so that you will feel confident. You will be, you know, you will feel confident, you know, the project inside out, right? So Ravi sir wanted to say something. Last 2 minutes, guys. Let me just unmute him. I mean, since very long I have muted him. Yes, Ravi sir, all yours.
Right. So I think they all have got a very good exposure today, right? About how we analyze, how we look into a project from a client's perspective. So today Ajay sir was like a client who was briefing the project to
Yep.
the technical team. You
Ravi sir,
all have
little louder.
taken it. Today Ajay sir was acting like a client. He had described you the entire project, his idea, right, which is very near and dear to his heart, and you all have taken down notes, just like a technical developer does, right? So now the very first thing is you have to pace up, and
Yep.
along with sir, you have to really work hard on a daily basis, whether your class is there or not. You have to put your efforts into it, and once you put your efforts, then obviously a lot of questions will arise. Park those questions, take down those questions, use the discussion forum, right, given to you to mention all the questions, and just speed up. So along with the internet speed at home, I also need your mind to be working very speedily and generating a lot of ideas, and you do a lot of coding stuff and all the features quickly, just like production mode, right? So this is what
Yep.
I wanted to say from my side. And apart from this, we can also say that whoever your friend is left who want to be a part of this training program, kindly tell them, kindly brief them that this is a very innovative project that you have identified, and if they want to join this group, they can join.
Yep.
So maybe for the first 3 or 4 sessions, we can accommodate some more strength. You might also find some more people joining the group, as some people having some issues in the transactions online. So you might have some more people in the coming days in the same group. Similarly, if you have your friends who are wanting to join, or if you want them to join, so you can tell them and they can also join in this group. Ajay sir, please unmute all of them for a while.
1 second. So all of you are unmute. Please speak carefully. Be mindful when
आप
you're talking.
recording off कर दीजिए.
No, no, Ravi sir, it will be a chaos. Let me just, stop the recording.